Baby Lucy. Oh, do you see the blue?
What?
Come here.
Sit on that chair over there so we can demonstrate how you sit on this chair. Ooh, popped. Comfortable?
Yeah, down.
Okay, sit on that one.
This side is like really hard.
Don't,
Oh my god.
don't sit on that side.
Can't that that's more specific. This one is a more accurate one, and my slipper just fell off. Hey Mom, can I show you something really cool?
What?
Come here.
Wait, where is it?
It's on the side of the van.
We won't be able to see over there. There's no light over there. I can only see right here because of the fire.
No, you can't see.